everyone, I'm in the woodworking department today, and we have some expert woodworkers, cabinet makers that have come into the factory to make all the kitchen cabinets, the bedroom cabinets, and the living room cabinets and storage areas. So they are hard at work. They just got here yesterday, and they're plowing through things really fast. It's really good to see professionals that know what they're doing, and there's 4 of them, and they work really well together. It's like they came here, started working, and they almost had an assembly line right away, because you can see that they've worked together a lot before. Because one would do one part of the job, pass it to the next person who would do the next part, and then the next person would do the next part. So it was like they had a whole factory production line going. It was really nice to see. So they work really fast. They've done all this in like a day and a half, and they have the next section all cut out, ready to go, measured, and it's I think probably within 2 or 3 days, more work like this. We're going to have most of the cabinet work for the home, for the EcoPod specifically, already completed, and then we can start inserting it into the house and actually fitting it. Fitting's going to take some time, but these guys move fast. We're budgeting this would probably take about 3 weeks. Now I think, seeing how these guys work, we can probably have it done in about 2 weeks. So we'll give you updates as it goes along, but so far it's going really well. Very happy.